I think I've felt every single human emotion that is possible within this last week, so I'm just happy that we're going to be moving forward.
A tough story to share for the staff at Page Turner Books.
I got water coming out of the ceiling into my store, destroying everything.
Videos trickling in from last Sunday evening in Kent's only independent bookstore, showing what happens when a frozen pipe bursts in a 112-year-old building.
It was chaos. When I got here, the water was still pouring, just everyone rushing with the books, trying to get as much to safety as they can.
Kayla Clenny is the assistant manager of the store. She estimates more than $8,000 worth of books and other products were destroyed.
As you can see, a hardback is not supposed to do this, so it's been a lot for sure, because so many of these books have been around for such a long time.
However, what was once a store flooded with water is now a business overflowing with support from the community, donating more than $12,000 to help the business start a new chapter and help move to another location in Kent in the coming weeks.
We wouldn't be able to move without you. We wouldn't be here without you, and we wouldn't be able to continue after this without you either. So thank you. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Reporting in Kent, Brady Wakayama, King 5 News.